We have legal obligations. The basic idea is that as a public high school, we have an obligation to the state to see that our constituents are receiving a proper education. Requiring that education of minors is perfectly a reasonable expectation. It's one of those exercises of state power that is not outside of the realm of responsible governance, and modern society expects that that students will go to school. We have a legal obligation. We are statutorily required to keep accurate attendance records. Those attendance records can be used for a number of different things. Court records, for example, if a student is accused of a crime, or if there's issues of abuse or some other situation, we have that those attendance records can be used in court to show that a student was in our class and therefore could not have been committing a crime, or was not in class and therefore might well have been somewhere else, even though he claims to have been in school at that time. So there are legal consequences, significant legal consequences that could come into play. In my conversation with Dr. Newman, the member of the school board, I was assured that school policies are properly aligned with state law, and so I could expect that. Obviously, I'll need to verify that, but it certainly seems reasonable that our policies would be in accordance with state laws, and as a result, that as long as we follow our policies as written, that we will be meeting our legal obligations. Unfortunately, it does not appear that we have been doing that. We have a number of faculty members who have not been properly recording their attendance, that have not been properly excusing absences. They've been excusing absences for frivolous reasons that are not on the list. The list specifically mentioned illness or other things, the things like inclement weather, that would be reasonable reasons to excuse absences, and we've got students being excused because they're going on a family vacation. We have to be aware of that and be careful of that. We have legal obligations.